Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Diego here in the Panhandle of Florida, waiting for our K1 visa to get adjudicated at the Service Center in California, much like you guys are waiting for your K1 visa to get adjudicated, or IR1 or CR1. And the lovely Karina right here is in Bogota, Colombia, living there as a legal resident from Venezuela since 2018. Now this video is about when you get your K1 visa in your passport, Miss Beneficiary, Mr. Beneficiary, you are going to enter into the United States of America with your K1 visa in your passport, and you're going to go face to face with a scary border patrol officer, and he's going to take you in a room and ask you some questions, okay? And then once you get legally admitted into the United States of America, congratulations by the way, you will then be given a Form I-94. Okay, now a Form I-94 is it's needed by you, Mr. Beneficiary, Miss Beneficiary, for when you adjust your status to get your green card. Okay, this is proof that you arrived legally in the United States of America and that you had a face-to-face meeting with an immigration officer and he or she let you in. Welcome. Okay? Now, once you get in the United States and you get married within 90 days, you can wait a couple of weeks, I would say, because you need to give this Form I-94 time to get populated into the Homeland Security website. Go to this website right here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and then you're going to be given a choice of 4 options to pick from right here. Okay? Now, if you're going to need proof of status that you have entered the United States legally, so you're going to need to print this form. So you have 4 choices. You're going to go to need a history of your arrivals and departures. Okay? Click on View Travel History. Go to the travel history. Then you're going to put in there your name, passport number, and that information. And then you're going to click Next, and then it's going to call up the form with your name on it, Mr. Beneficiary, Miss Beneficiary. And you're going to print this form, and then you're going to include it in your adjustment of status paperwork. If you don't include this form, okay, Immigration's going to send you a nice little letter saying you haven't proven that you went face to face with an immigration officer. Send us this form in an RFE. Okay, so don't mess this one up. If you are a U.S. citizen, you don't need to print this form. This is only for you, Miss Beneficiary, Mr. Beneficiary, on a K1 visa status that has to prove that you entered the USA legally. Okay, now we hope this video is helpful to you guys. We're here for you. Stay strong. You will get your visa. Okay, we're in the same boat as you, waiting and waiting and waiting. It's February 2023, and we're in month 10, and we are patient. We know this process is not easy for some of you guys. You're trying to hang in there, but we're going to help you hang in there. And we will see you soon in the United States of America.
I'll be back.
Right over here. And your personal line must fit underneath the seat in front of you.